Yeah, yeah, he loves it.
That was so funny.
Yeah, well, that's the way the women are.
Oh, look at that yellow car over there too, guys. All of the Corvettes out here.
I know I work
What do you think, Suja? Like this yellow car here? Huh, Suja? Like this yellow car?
Yeah. Hey, look at that blue car.
Yeah, you wanna go look at it? What? Hold on.
I'm going to go on the bouncy house.
Okay, well, let's go check it out first. Don't touch it.
Look, the bouncy house right there.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Come, let's go back this way. Sorry. Oh, you guys go. We're gonna look at this right for you. Oh, look at this dude, huh? Oh, orange. You like orange, Salai?
I told you your favorite color would be orange.
Red, yeah.
I told you your favorite color would be orange. Daddy, I guess you like red
What do you
and
think, Salai? Yeah, orange.
No.
Oh, look at this car, dude, huh? The van.
Just ran on my feet.
Yeah, you gotta move your feet.
I
Yay!
did it!
Good job.
Let's go on to the next one.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, Dad?
Easton, no. Easton. Easton, gotta go around.
Hey. Yeah.
Gotta go around, bud. Come on.
Hey.
Gotta go that way.
Let's go on the next one now.
Okay, go. Let's do that. Oh. It's okay, you don't have to win all the time. Do it slower so you can have fun. Oh. Salai. Salai.
He's like, I'm not going.
Where are you gonna go? at that purple car over there. Oh, this Audi right here. Blue car right here. You like this blue car?
Oh, there, look at that cool white car and black car.
Oh. Watch out. Come over here. Soldier car.
Not even that cool.
What are you talking about? Yeah, we made it. What do you think, Judah?
I don't like it.
What?
You always think with the car.
Whoa! We made it. There's lots of cars. So, are you ready?
Everybody turn up. Hell yeah.
Go play. There's the bounce house.
Daddy, no,
What do you think, Salai?